Hello friends, today I am going to talk about this mobile tripod from Yongteng. Yongteng is a Chinese brand and this tripod resembles the Manfrotto Pixie. It is designed exactly the same as Manfrotto Pixie. The Manfrotto Pixie costs around rupees 1000 or so, but this tripod from Yongteng will cost you just rupees 200. On Amazon, it is currently priced at rupees 250. I got this at 200 from a local shop. So let's talk about the design. It is typical Manfrotto style. In fact, it is a clear ripoff of the Manfrotto Pixie. The construction is all plastic, and so you shouldn't expect wonders from this. But for a mobile tripod, it will do. It comes with a mobile cage on which you can mount your mobile. The case has little support for your mobile, so I would recommend to invest in a good mobile case and then mount the mobile in this cage. It has the standard tripod screw mount and even a ball head. Even though the ball head looks like metal, it is made up of plastic and it can be rotated by just pushing this lever and then rotating it. The motion isn't smooth or fluid, but it gets the job done. Once you leave this lever and press it slightly, it will get locked. The ball head on the top can be used to mount even small cameras like point and shoot from Sony's or Canon XS series cameras. To test this tripod, I even tried and mounted my Canon 60D with a standard lens, and I was surprised by the fact that this tripod was still stable and I could get some useful shots in this position. Of course, I couldn't mount the camera or the DSLR when I tilted this tripod to a side, of course, because of gravity issues. When this is centered perfectly, the camera will stay stable. And I quite like this tripod for the matter of fact that it costs just rupees 200, and I don't think you will get such a good tripod for such a low price, and it can be also used for vlogging. You can simply close all the legs of the tripod, mount your mobile, and then simply take this as a gimbal or something to provide additional support as you are vlogging your videos. This is very useful, I feel. And at other times you can even mount your mobile on this and watch movies, or you can FaceTime with your friends. And that's all for this tripod. It's very basic and it costs little, but it will give you enough satisfaction, and I highly recommend this tripod to anyone who is looking for a mobile tripod for basic photography and for video chatting, and who doesn't want to spend a lot of money on some tripods from good brands like Manfrotto or so. That's all for this episode, guys, and I will see you the next time. Till then, take care.